Yes, so tapos na tayo mag-unbox ng ating mga pabango. Yan, grabe, ang saya. Sulit. Yan, oh. So, meron tayo another dream purchase dito sa US territory kasi sabi ko kailangan kong bumili kasi itong bote na 'di ba? Nag-order ako ng Stanley na tumbler. Ang bilis, wala pa pang 3 days. Not yet 3 days but already came, no? So white, syempre my favorite color white. Sobrang mura ko lang siyang wala man lang pa ASMR. Stanley. Sobrang mura ko lang siyang nabili sa Amazon kasi sale ata, Black Friday sale. It's very premium for $35. It's my very first Stanley, no? Wow! My very first flip straw jug. Pero grabe, ang ganda. Almost 2 liter na. See? It's very nice, no? Wow. Looks very expensive. Stanley. Only $35. Liter, almost 2 liter. Yan, there's a Stanley for authentication. And then there's straw, a water jug. We're allowed to bring, no? $35, so only 1,000, less than 1,500 pesos. Or I don't know, 1,500, but still, no? It's much cheaper than the Starbucks version. But it's good, it's very nice. And then I will buy the rubber.
It looks like luxury.
Yeah, looks luxury and looks expensive. And the color. Because I love color white, no? See, Stanley. My very first Stanley. Still, lots of purchase coming in the coming days in Amazon because it's Black Friday, Thanksgiving week, and then what else? Cyber Monday. Nice. Now I have my own water jug. I can drink already in the duty because I don't have water bottle now. That's it for my vlog. See you next time. Ciao, ciao. Double cheese out. Peace.